Right now, everything at Spotify Camp Nou depends on one key decision: the Phase 1C license approval. If approved, FC Barcelona will be allowed to increase stadium capacity, which means more revenue and financial relief before the summer window. At the same time, construction inside the stadium is clearly accelerating. Today, we're going to take you behind the scenes and show all the key developments happening across the stadium, from administrative updates to major construction milestones, giving you the full picture of what's really happening at Camp Nou. The big news comes from a recent municipal inspection. Authorities checked the stadium's safety measures, a vital step before granting the Phase 1C license. At the moment, FC Barcelona is reportedly pessimistic about getting approval in time for the upcoming match against Atletico Madrid. The new target is now March 15th, ahead of the game against Sevilla FC. This approval is crucial. More seats mean more ticket revenue, bigger match-a-day income, and much-needed financial breathing space for the club. Safety comes first, of course, but the timing here is critical. Over in the Grandstand, activity is ramping up. A large truck from Aries Logistics delivered new materials, and chrome tubular elements have been spotted around the area. These usually signal preparation for the next construction phase, whether structural reinforcement, facade work, or architectural support. The focused energy here strongly suggests that the Grandstand is about to move into a faster, more visible phase of construction, which will dramatically change the stadium's appearance. Inside, the press room is advancing steadily. Concrete works are active, and formworks are being installed to shape the seating layout. This room is critical. It's the club's global communication hub for post-match conferences, international media coverage, and major announcements. Once structural work is complete, finishing touches like lighting, broadcasting systems, and interior fittings will follow. At the current pace, a fully formed press room could be ready within months, a major behind-the-scenes milestone. The previously chipped ground-level section has now been fully concreted. It seems there was a minor technical issue earlier, which caused the chipping. But the area has been rectified, properly aligned, and reinforced. Now it's stable and ready to move forward into the next stage of construction. In the south goal section, blue safety nets are installed around beams. This usually indicates preparation for pre-fabricated terraces or stands, which are lifted into place with cranes. Once this happens, the bowl shape of Spotify Camp Nou will start to look far more complete. This could become a very visible milestone in the stadium's redevelopment. So today we see two parallel stories: the administrative tension around the Phase 1C license and strong construction momentum across the stadium. Grandstand acceleration, press room progress, ground level correction, and south goal terrace preparation. Step by step, the new Spotify Camp Nou is taking shape. Yes, there are challenges and minor delays, but progress is undeniable. Let's hope the municipality grants the license soon, because the club needs it and the fans deserve it. Visca Barça, if you're enjoying these updates, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any big stadium news.